we're at Thirsk Station. We've seen some trains, and now we're going down to Pickering to get on Sir Nigel Gresley.
Hopefully Sir Nigel Gresley's going to be there.
Yeah.
We need to check. There might be an announcement. But yeah, we've come to Thirsk. We've seen a few trains. It's a nice station, is it? But it's not really the best for train spotting.
No, if you want to get beat. I had to go on his shoulder, my dad's shoulder.
Yeah, because you can see, I'll zoom past you. You've got the main line running down the middle, but it's fenced off both sides. So you can't really see unless the trains stop at the platforms. But like I say, you went on Daddy's shoulders, didn't you?
Yeah.
And it was fun. Who was doing the recording? If you were on my shoulders, who was recording?
I don't want to tell you, I want to give you the surprise.
Well, it can only be one person, really.
Yes.
Do you know what to say?
No.
No? Okay then. Shall we head off to Pickering then?
Yeah.
Right, enjoy the videos at Thirsk and we'll see you again in Pickering.
Yes. Cut.
Do we have Tommy? Here's the conductor.
Everyone, we've made it to Pickering, and I bought this sticky from Yorkshire Trading Company. Quack quack.
Quack quack. And we're here and we think it's going to be Sir Nigel Gresley, don't we? We're going to get on.
Yeah, but we don't know what the platform is coming.
Shall I show everybody what Pickering Station looks like from here?
Yeah.
There we go, look at that.
I just wonder what platform it's coming.
We'll go and work out what platform it's on. There we go. So let's go and find out where we're going now.
It's a Nigel. Daddy,
Yeah?
it's a Nigel.